Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. I'm Cemal Bulunmaz, your provider of jewelry technologies. We supplied you everything about diamond cutting until today. From the tools for chain machines to hand engraving tools, from manual machines to CNC machines even. And until today, you always had a question to us, how I will make the bangles or rings before giving to your machine. So, that was the time to answer your question. Let's start with the first question, how to make bangles. So meet our new machine, Transformer. Transformer is not just a machine, but it's a complex of these little practical machines. It includes two of these bangle stretching machines, one modified lathe machine to give a final shape on your bangle, and the table of the system. After you got your machine, you can simply change the head of these bangle stretching machines and get your bangles in different sizes. That's a roll sheet right after basic soldering, and with this transformer machine we will transform that basic ugly sheet to that finished bangle. Let's start the first process. We are on the level 1. That's our bangle stretching machine. It has a flat head that's produced in our factory, in Bulunmaz factory. That's a stainless steel. It's hardened extra, so you can use it long years. Here is my bangle. I will basically make it just kind of round shape and put in the bangle stretcher and start the operation. Here we go. It's totally hand control. When you get used to with this bangle stretching machine, you will have of course much faster performance, much faster than me. So to avoid breaking the soldering part, we are just moving our bangle to the right till we are doing the stretching process. Here we go, my bangle is ready. My target size was 60mm, 60 is the size, so I got it. As you've seen, it's a round shape. It's perfect round, so I can go on to the second stage. At the second stage, I will use my modified lathe machine. That's a Bulunmaz lathe machine. It's heavy, it's durable, it's a precision machine, so you can use it easily. I will start with my collet, which I put the bangle. Here is my collet. It's a special collet prepared for that system. It comes from two pieces. I will explain you later why there are two pieces. So I will basically put that round bangle on the collet. It's also 6mm. I prepared it before. As I told you, our bangle is 60mm, so it's easily stretched there. And I will go on to the machine. Our lathe machine is ready for the operation. So I will jump to the lathe machine, put the bangle and start. Here is my bangle. Here is the lathe machine, and here is the bangle holder of the lathe machine. That's the part the motor will turn and we will start the operation. I'm basically putting the bangle in the lathe machine, with the collet of course, and that's the holder part. I'm just inserting. Then I have to lock the lathe machine. I'm locking the lathe machine. I have to push carefully, turn it as much as it needs. My bangle is ready, the machine is ready, and the electricity is on. So now I'm starting the first process of the lathe machine, cleaning the sides of the bangle. For cleaning the sides, I will need a PCD tool. That's a 4mm 180, the standard degree, and you can use any size for your bangle. PCD tool is made of pressed diamonds. It's a polycrystalline diamond, the scientific name. So that's used basically to clean the sides of the bangle. So your bangle will be perfect on the side, and you can go on to the next stage. I'm starting my machine now. All I need to do is just smoothly press the head, so as long as it touched the bangle, starting the cleaning process. I finished the right side of my bangle, so I must just turn the bangle and do the lathe, do the cleaning of the other side. I'm basically taking out my bangle. You don't really need to take out the collet, you can just take out the part which it helps it. Turn the bangle and put it back. Just close the lock and it's ready to clean the other side of the bangle. Here we go again. I'm cleaning the other side of the bangle. It's exactly the same process. That's all. The other side is done. So I have to check the size now to be sure that my bangle is ready for the size I want. For this project, I'm targeting 15mm finished bangle. So when the bangle is finished, the width will be 15mm. You can have different sizes, whatever 10mm, 15, 20, 25, 30mm, the standard sizes, or else you can request your special sizes such as 0.8mm, 12mm, like 1.2 centimeters. So any size, there is a calculation of the flat part. In 15mm, I have to use 19.8mm. That's a simple calculation. And when you got our machine with the sizes you want, our technicians will teach you all the calculations. So let's see 19.8mm, is it right or not? Here is my flat bangle. As I told you, I target the finished product 15mm. So that has to be in width 19.8mm. Let's see if I'm correct or not. So I'm hitting here and find the size. So it's kind of 1977. It's okay, I mean 19.8. So that's fine. I'm pretty well with the flat bangle, so I can go on to the next step. The next step is forming the sides of the bangle. So I have to change the tool. I was using the PCD tool to make the cleaning of the sides. So now I will change my tool. You don't need to manually change. It's a complete system, so you can basically turn your tool to the right. It's a manual process. When you find the right degree, you can simply lock it. You have to lock fine. Then the forming tool, it's a special design tool, is ready to work. Everything is done, so I can start my machine. And the next is a just 1 second process. It's an easy process. I just push the special tool through the bangle and it gives the final form. That was it, my form is ready. First side of the bangle is ready, it's formed in the inside curve shape. So I just basically turn it around and do the same process again. I simply take it out, take the bangle out, and then put inside the other side. Here is why we use 2 parts of collet. We could use just one collet if we would be doing just one side of the bangle. But here, the second process, the next process, I have to put the bangle, the curved side, inside the collet. Here you see. I have to push the collet inside so I can put my reformed bangle. And as you have seen, it just fixed and it's ready for the next process. I'm putting my bangle the other side, so it's ready for the curve of the other side. Here I put the bangle and just lock it. Then it's ready for the other side of the bangle, and let me start the machine. Here I go for the other side of the bangle. So it's formed just in a second. The second operation is finished, so our work is done with the lathe machine. So let's have a look how is the inside curves of the bangle. Here is my bangle with both sides curved. So the 80% of the process is finished. So now it's ready for the third and the last stage. Here is the third stage of transformer. It's another bangle extending head with a different special design shape. That head is also made stainless steel, but the shape is much more complex than the first one. Here you can see the convex form, and then there are the channels. So the bangle sits here, the sides stay stable, the flat, and the inside part gets the shape of this curve. You know that my target size was 15 mm. That's a 15 mm head. As I told you, there are different sizes: 10 mm, 30 mm, 25 mm, any size you can order. So the 15 mm, I'm just putting my bangle for the first stage. Here we go. I will keep it here. At the first, it will be moving, of course, because it's still big and not formed. I keep it manually and start the enlarging process. I'm starting slow because it's a video, of course, but when you have the serial production, that takes approximately 30 seconds. Seems okay, huh? So, thank you so much, Transformer. That was a great job. That was a great teamwork. My bangle is ready, so let's have a look if it's perfectly done and it's ready for the post-production, such as CNC machine, hand cutting, whatever you need. As I told you, there are many other sizes we can manufacture. Here are some samples you see. These are our standard sizes that you can find in our stock always. You will find worldwide exhibitions when you visit us. These sizes will be in stock, such as 8 mm, 10 mm, 15, 20, 25 and 30 mm. You can also order your sizes, of course, 12 mm, 40 mm, whatever you want. You're always welcome with your special orders. They are pretty smooth in size. The sides are kind of precise, so you can use it in any process. Hand diamond cutting, CNC machine, or whatever technology you want to apply. These bangles are ready to use. That was the Transformer. So if you want to know more about our products, more what you can do with our bangles after the Transformer process, what works you can process, what machines you can use, just have a look at our website www.bloomaz.com. Our website includes all the technical information, all the videos and further information. So you can have a look at our Instagram, Facebook pages, Instagram Bloomaz Tools, Facebook again Bloomaz Tools, or YouTube Bloomaz Tools, and learn more about our products. Thank you so much for watching us. See you again in the next video.